CBSE French, class 10, textbook, Entre jeunes, chapter 1. Retrouvons nos amis. Let's find out our friends. Les voilà. Here they are. Nous avons déjà rencontré ces personnages. We have already met these characters. Les reconnais-tu? Do you recognize them? Présentons-les. Let's introduce them. Akanksha Sethi, elle a 17 ans. Akanksha Sethi, she is 17 years old. Elle est en terminal L. She is in terminal L. It means she has got literature as her studies. Son frère s'appelle Kunal. Her brother, he calls himself Kunal. Il a 18 ans. He is 18 years old. Il est en terminal S. He has got science. Leur père travaille à l'ambassade de l'Inde en France. Their father works in the Indian embassy in France. Leur mère est professeur de musique classique indienne. Their mother is the teacher of Indian classical music. Il habite de Rue Balzac. They are living at 2 Street Balzac. Wasi Nargis et Wasi Wala Ali. So yet another set of friends, Nargis and Ali. Ils sont sénégalais. They are from Senegal. Leurs parents habitent à Dakar, au Sénégal. Their parents are living at Dakar, in Senegal country. Leur père est informaticien. Their father is computer scientist. Il travaille chez IBM. He works at IBM computer company. Voici Pauline et Dani. This is third set of friends, Pauline and Dani. Ils sont français. They are French. Ils sont tous des amis. They are all friends with each other. Vive l'amitié. Long live friendship. On this page, we have met 3 set of friends, Akanksha and Kunal from India. And second set is Nargis and Ali. They are from Senegal. And Pauline Etani. They are French. The vrai ou faux. Tell whether it is right or wrong. La mère de Kunal et Akanksha est professeur de sciences. The mother of Kunal and Akanksha is science teacher. Please tell after reading the text. Les parents d'Ali et Nargis habitent à Paris. The parents of Ali and Nargis are living in Paris. Do you agree? Is it true? Vrai ou faux? Kunal a 18 ans. Kunal is 18 years old. True or false? Ali et Nargis sont sénégalais. Vrai ou faux? Lis et réponds aux questions suivantes. Read and answer the questions that follow. Où sont nos amis? En Corse. Where are our friends? In Corsica. It is an island. So our friends are spending their vacation over there. So Akanksha is writing this letter from that island. Bastia. Bastia is a place, and the date is 30 août, 30th of August, when they, whatever. Chers amis, dear friends, depuis 4 jours, for 4 days, nous voici installés en Corse. We are living in Corse, au sud de Bastia, to the south of Bastia. Nous sommes arrivés avec la pluie. We arrived with the rains. It means when we arrived, it was raining. Mais maintenant, le beau temps s'est installé. But now, fair weather, good weather has established itself. It has come again. The good weather has established. L'île n'est pas grande. The island is not very big. Nous sommes logés dans un camp d'étoiles. We are staying, or we are lodged in a canvas tent. Ce n'est pas le grand luxe. It is not big luxury. Mais pour les vacances, c'est très bien. But for the vacation, it is very nice. Cette visite m'a fait penser à notre visite des îles d'Andaman et de Nicobar dans le golfe du Bengale. This visit makes me think of our visit to the island of Andaman and Nicobar, islands of Andaman and Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal. J'ai passé de très belles vacances là-bas. I spent very beautiful vacation over there avec ma famille, with my family, l'année dernière, last year. Nous avons visité Port Blair. We visited Port Blair, une petite ville animée. It is an animated city au milieu de, at the center of, in the middle of la mer, the sea, in the middle of the sea, avec beaucoup de cocotiers, with many coconut trees et quelques collines and some hills. Ici, here, nous pouvons aller à la mer. We can go to the sea et à la montagne dans la même journée. We can go to the sea and the mountain in the same day. Ici means in course. Les aiguilles de Bavela sont très belles. The peaks of Bavela peaks, are very beautiful. Il y a beaucoup de petits villages perchés. There are many perched villages. Au centre, il y a des cultures d'oranges et de citron. At the center, there are cultivation of oranges and lemons. On y voit aussi beaucoup d'animaux. We also see here many animals such as des ânes, donkeys, des moutons, sheep, des chevaux, horses, et des cochons, the pigs. La pointe que vous voyez sur la carte postale, the point or the peak you are watching on the postcard I am writing, est appelé Cap Corse, is called Cap Corse. So Akanksha is writing a postcard and there is a picture on it, and that picture is of that peak. that mountain peak called Cap Corse. Au milieu, at the center, il y a beaucoup de châtaigniers. There are many chestnut trees at the center. Au sud, to the south, il y a Bonifacio. There is an area called Bonifacio, avec ses côtes et ses villages, with its coasts and its villages. Nos vacances vont bientôt terminer. Our vacations are going to end soon. Elles se passent bien. They are passing well, nicely. À bientôt. See you soon. Gross bees. Big kisses. Akanksha. So she has written a letter from the island of Corsica. Je réponds aux questions. Now some questions are there on the basis of the preceding paragraphs. Qui a écrit la lettre? À qui? So you can see Akanksha has written this letter to her friends. Où se trouve Akanksha? So you can see she has gone to Corsica, the island of Corse. Comment sont les aiguilles de Bavela? How are the peaks of Bavela? You should describe them as told by Akanksha in her letter. Quel temps faisait-il quand ils sont arrivés en Corse? What kind of weather it was when they arrived in Corsica? Trouve dans le texte, find out in the text, le contraire de commencer, the opposite, le contraire, opposite of commencer, to begin. So it is terminer, obviously. La forme nominale de pleuvoir, the noun form of pleuvoir. Pleuvoir is to rain. So noun form is the rain, la pluie. Les noms de deux animaux de la ferme. You have to name two animals of the farm. So there are four names given in this paragraph we have just read. Le contraire de partir, to leave, partir. You need to find out the opposite of to leave, arriver. So this much for today. We will continue this chapter in the next video also. Thank you for watching.